Could Sui be the next massive crypto airdrop, and are XRP and Cardano about to decouple from the rest of the crypto market? This is your Altcoin Buzz news. Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Cody Buffington. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you know when we drop our latest content. Follow us on Twitter at AltcoinBuzzIO, and as always, this is not financial advice, and we wish you the best of luck in your crypto ventures. The price of Bitcoin briefly tipped over 29,000 this morning, recording a new high for the year, despite recent United States regulatory crackdowns on crypto firms and related uncertainty. The increase comes despite a range of regulatory crackdowns in recent days, such as the United States Commodities Futures Trading Commission lawsuit against Binance and its CEO, CZ, on March 27th. Bitcoin's price bounce in the wake of such a bombshell development drew surprise from many industry commentators. Some believe this is due to speculation that the lawsuit will only result in minor fines for Binance. The Crypto Fear and Greed Index has been steadily increasing over the last month into the greed zone, and some traders argue that the recent price rebounds may have been due to large volume traders buying back in, which was more related to their buying strategies rather than fundamentals. XRP is currently among the best performing cryptocurrencies in the market. Recently, the price of the sixth largest cryptocurrency has continued to surge to new levels. XRP is trading at 55 cents, up 10.5% in the past 24 hours. The tremendous rally of XRP has attracted the attention of the crypto community members who seek to know the reason behind the bullish momentum of the asset. Panosmek on Twitter writes why he thinks XRP has been rallying, saying XRP has been suppressed for years. This is mainly because of the lawsuit between Ripple and the SEC. Many traders ignored the potential due to fears that a negative summary judgment against Ripple could cause the price to plunge massively. However, people are starting to look beyond the lawsuit to embrace the utility of the asset class. Another factor contributing to the massive rally of XRP is the numerous projects launched on the XRP ledger. He said XRPL-based projects give crypto community members new ways to use XRP for diverse use cases, including multi-sigs, decentralized exchanges, escrows, and more. Despite the numerous use cases associated with the XRP ledger, the development team is still committed to adding more utilities that would boost the adoption of XRP. In addition, XRP ledger will also roll out new updates like sidechains and automated market makers. XRP also attracted the crypto community's attention following Messari's in-depth analysis of the XRP ledger last week. Messari highlighted XRP achievements, and its CEO said Ripple should win its case against the SEC. As the lawsuit between Ripple and the SEC edges closer to its end, crypto community members anticipate a summary judgment in favor of Ripple, and the price of XRP is expected to surge if Ripple wins its case against the SEC. According to analytics platform Santiment, the Cardano network's native token ADA could be set to stage a bullish decoupling from the rest of the crypto markets. The asset is up over 12% in the last 24 hours. According to a Santiment tweet earlier today, leading up to this rally, large ADA holders holding over 10,000 ADA have added 1.03 billion ADA to their bags in the last 5 months. Santiment tweeted Cardano has been showing some mild decoupling signs this week. These whale addresses now own over 32 billion ADA according to Santiment, which claims the asset may be moving towards its all-time high. It's worth noting that the Cardano network has seen significant developments this year as developers prepare to usher it into the age of Volatility. For starters, in January, JED, Cardano's over-collateralized dollar peg stablecoin launched, promising to bring significant volume to the network's decentralized finance ecosystem. Then in February, a few weeks after JED launched, Input-Output, the team responsible for Cardano's research and development, disclosed that they had successfully carried out an upgrade which greatly improves the network's interoperability for cross-chain decentralized application development. The Ethereum blockchain's Shanghai upgrade, or more accurately known as Chapella, is only 2 weeks away, so stakers may start to wonder how soon after the upgrade can they access their rewards. But depending on how one stakes their Ether, they may not be able to withdraw those rewards immediately. On Ethereum, there are 2 different ways you can stake your ETH, directly as a validator or via a staking service. Before participating in the block validation process, validators agree to lock up 32 ETH, currently worth about $58,000, into the Beacon chain. But not everyone has 32 ETH laying around, so staking services or decentralized staking pools sprung up, allowing users to stake any amount they liked into the service or pool, and then that service or protocol would then pool it together with other stakers' ETH and then lock it into the chain. There are now 2 ways in which you can access staked ETH withdrawals: partial withdrawals and full withdrawals. Partial withdrawals are the excess profits one has after 32 ETH or earned rewards. Those rewards can be withdrawn immediately, and your validators will continue to add blocks to the Beacon chain. Full withdrawals, on the other hand, are when you remove the entire balance, including the 32 ETH, from the blockchain. This means that your validator will stop participating in the block's validation process, and full withdrawals won't happen automatically because the validator needs to send a message to the blockchain to add itself to the exit queue. This takes time and will be released gradually. Coinbase, which runs a staking service, said earlier this month it will process withdrawal requests about 24 hours after Chapella is complete, saying all unstaking requests are processed on-chain and will pass the unstaked funds and staking rewards to you once released by the Ethereum protocol. Lido, the largest liquid staking protocol, shared that its users who hold staked ETH won't be able to retrieve their ETH until the protocol goes through an upgrade in mid-May. The reason for the timeline Lido gave is so the protocol can go through the proper security checks. So if you're hoping to cash in on any rewards from your staked ETH, make sure to check with your providers when that will happen because it may not occur on April 12th. Decentralized crypto exchange Trader Joe has had surging trader and depositor activity on its Arbitrum venue in the past 7 days, with total value locked rising by more than 300%, reaching 30 million on Wednesday. Data from CryptoStats website DeFi Llama showed a spike in Trader Joe's trading volume over the same period. The jump in activity comes as the price of Trader Joe's governance token Joe booms, up 11% in the past 24 hours and 58% over the past week. Key metrics began booming right after Trader Joe launched a liquidity incentives program to boost deposits of popular tokens for trading, particularly Arbitrum's newly airdropped ARB token. Users who loaned ARB, ETH, and USDC to Trader Joe's pools got a share of 300,000 Joe tokens. The incentives program ends on April 6. Trader Joe's recent success on Arbitrum has nearly eclipsed its trading volume on Avalanche, the DEX's original home. Both venues have seen just under 100 million in tokens traded since March 26. Sui Network, a Layer 1 blockchain created by ex-Meta or Facebook engineers, got a step closer to going live by announcing it has opened its permanent testnet, a place where the viability of the technology can get a more thorough examination. Sui has gained a lot of momentum over the past few months and is seen as a competitor to the Aptos blockchain, another Layer 1 that was founded by ex-Meta employees. Aptos and Sui both use the same programming language called Move. In September, Mysten Labs, the company behind the Sui blockchain, raised $300 million in a funding round that also valued Mysten Labs at $2 billion. Unlike testnet waves 1 and 2, permanent testnets will continue to run even after the mainnet is live, and it won't be wiped after each software update. This permanent testnet is also the last step before the mainnet goes live and the Sui airdrop happens. The Sui team has emphasized in its blog posts that they will prioritize the distribution of Sui tokens to early community members. The team also said that those who are already spreading knowledge about Sui, onboarding developers, and testing and refining its applications will be part of Sui's token allocation. In August 2022, Sui had a Sui token airdrop for its testnet wave 1 and 2 validators. 2,000 Sui, which is subject to a 1-year vesting, was distributed for participating in every testnet wave. However, rewards will only be distributed after the mainnet launch. If you want to potentially be eligible to receive a Sui token airdrop, it's suggested to get on board early. Here are some ways to get a potential Sui token airdrop. Number 1, install and use the Sui wallet. Number 2, request Sui DevNet tokens. Number 3, stake and earn Sui. Number 4, mint Sui Cappy's NFT. Number 5, register your domain on Sui name service. Number 6, participate in Sui testnet waves. Number 7, play games and get NFT test mints on Clutchy. And number 8, interact with protocols in the Sui ecosystem. We've all seen how recent airdrops have gone, and Sui could be the next big one. That's it for your Altcoin Buzz News Update. I'm your host, Cody Buffington. Thanks for watching.